Welcome back to our lesson. We are going to learn how to create through cylinder or cone construction axis. This construction axis is created when selecting the surface of the body as cylindrical or conical shape. First I am going to hide the door hinge folder. And then I am going to create two bodies. One is a cylinder body and another one is a cone. The cylinder is created and then I am going to create the cone by using revolve. I am drawing the haft profile of the cone on the front work plane. Click the right mouse button, drag to pan the design area. Click Sketch. Click Line. Let's start drawing the sketch. Click Close. Click the vertical line. Click the horizontal vertical constraint. Click the bottom line, press the Shift key, click the vertical line. Click the perpendicular constraint. Define dimension to this line 35 mm. For this line, I define dimension to 45 mm. Click Close. Click Button View. Click Default View. To turn on the standard view of the work plane. Click to select the sketch. Click More. Click Revolve. Click the vertical line to use it as the axis of revolving. Click Done. Click Button View. Click Default View. To turn on the standard view of the work plane. Click to select the outer surface of the cylinder body. Because the body is a cylindrical shape, so the through cylinder or cone construction axis is available. Click Add Axis. The construction axis is created in the center of the cylinder body. Click the outer surface of the cone. Click Add Axis. I hope you get more understanding of how to create the construction axis. So I will hide all the items in the item manager and bring the door hinge back. Click the button view. Click Default View. I will show you how to rotate the top plate at the pin. It is the connector of two plates by using the through cylinder or cone construction axis as the axis of rotation. Click Item Manager. Click the arrow of the hinge folder to go through the bodies. Click the fisheye to hide the pin. Click to select the hole where the pin is located. We use this hole to create the construction axis to use as the pivot point of rotation. Click Add Axis. The construction axis is created. I am going to rotate the top plate 60 degrees. Click Transform. Click Rotate Around Axis. Click to select the top plate. Click Next. Click the construction axis that we have just created. Click and drag the arrow upward to define the angle to 60 degrees. And then click Done to finish.